My mom just said in Vietnamese that you're wasting paper.
I know, I think I understand.
She says she not waste anything, but she only weigh one big
Wait,
piece of
Mama.
onion.
It's not because she wants to save the planet, she's just trying to save money.
As long as you can see my trash, don't cover my trash. Beautiful.
She's tough, eh? You're tough.
Hello, Hunnay! Let me just say that I decided to have another cooking episode because you guys gave such remarkable comments off of my episode with Chef Delroy. I loved the representation that came through with Chef and his Jamaican Creole flavors, and everybody of my Jamaican audience came forward and you guys were like, I want to represent Haiti, I want to represent Mexico, I want to represent Ethiopia. So today, we are packing our bags, we're getting on first class, over to Argentina because we have Chef Vick in the house.
Hello.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Thank you.
We have not only a chef who cooks at home for her family, but she also has a YouTube channel, and she also has a Peruvian Japanese restaurant right here in Los Angeles in Venice Beach called Wait, don't tell me.
Call what?
No,
You're close.
it is called Pachamama.
Come on.
Hey, you did it.
It's the fusion of Peru and Japan, and it's very powerful.
So I'm gonna someday take you to Chef Vick's restaurant, but we got her to bring her restaurant here for us today.
Oh, okay, that's good. This is very special. Not like a lousy chef cook.
Okay, hold on. Aha. Wait, I wanna make it clear that I enjoy cooking if it follows my rules. Number one, I cannot cook for more than 4 people.
Okay.
Number 2, I don't like cooking if I have to do the things to the animal myself. Meaning, I want the butcher to fillet.
Okay.
I cannot take the chicken whole. I want it in breast, thighs, pieces.
So not a hard time.
Yeah, I want easy cooking.
Okay.
So I cook very easy. My meals are 30 to 45 minutes because I take too long. They're really
I love
15 to
it.
20 minutes,
Yeah.
right? But Mom, I don't like learning cooking from you because you are difficult
Right.
to follow.
I make things very simple.
Simple.
Yes,
That's good.
and fast.
Yeah.
Also because I am a mom and
I
I,
like
have
it.
a restaurant and I don't have so much time. So
Thank you.
need
That's
to be more
good. I like that.
practical.
That's what I like
Yeah.
it. Oh my
Okay, so
gosh.
Chef,
Yes.
today, what cuisine are we making and what country is it from?
Okay, so we are honoring 2 different countries today.
Okay.
The first recipe is to honor Peru.
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 We are making today the traditional saltado or saltadito. The first thing that we need to do is the most difficult part, that is the potato. Why? Because it takes more time.
So I don't know how you cook, how you're gonna cut, but I usually go do, and then do for cubed, or just slice like this. That's all I know how to do. I wanna see how you cut.
I love the tu. But this is, yes,
What
but
do
this
you
is
do?
different. Look. First,
Yeah.
in half.
Half.
You go here,
Half.
Okay.
then you go here,
Yeah.
and then you go here.
Oh my God, I can do this.
Let me see.
You can do it, come on. I recommend you to always grab the potatoes so you don't hurt yourself.
Okay. Be careful and hold it tight.
I got it!
You may cut your finger.
Mom, you make me nervous.
Let me cut it my
No.
Vietnamese style. Let me cut last
I
one. Let me
think
cut my
she can
Vietnamese
cut
style. There, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's faster than you anyway.
Chef Vick is not only going to teach us how to cook this Peruvian dish, but we're also going to make a dish for Monaco.
As you can see, I already put a little bit of oil.
Oil?
Okay, so let's go. Put it like this.
Yeah.
Let's grab some salt. We have some salt over here. Yes.
Okay.
Let's try to move it around so everything grab a little bit of oil. Like this, okay.
So, like this.
Yeah.
The potatoes are already in the oven more or less 15 minutes, and now we can focus on the rest of the recipe.
Okay.
What we need to do now is start chopping, cutting, okay?
Okay,
Now, we cut it, and if you want, you can help me to peel it.
Yeah.
See?
Okay.
Here you have it.
That's it.
Oh, I can do this.
Yeah, you can
So
do it.
slices.
Yeah. Let me see how you do that.
You have a problem?
I have a problem when I saw you do that. You may cut your head. Ew, it's scary.
I'm a little bit scared as well, eh?
This is a random question. In Argentina,
Yes.
I know they speak Argentinian.
Oh, no,
Spanish.
Let me do it for
Spanish.
you.
Español.
Like regular Spanish?
Por ejemplo, ahora yo te estoy hablando en mi propia lengua, que es español. Hola, ¿cómo estás, Jeannie? Hola, mamá.
Muy bien. Ella muy bien también. Okay.
¡Esa!
Mi pregunta es esta. Wait, so there's no such thing as speaking Argentinian? No.
No,
It's
I
Spanish.
wouldn't say like that. It's more
It's
Spanish.
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 Okay.
Yes.
I know it's Latin America, but some, like Brazil, doesn't speak.
No,
Spanish.
Portuguese.
Cut tomato, you're
Yeah,
gonna
this
take
is
so
Portuguese.
long.
This is why I never learn from you, because you're yelling or you're screaming or you're pushing.
Let's go with this one. Can I
Okay.
show you? This
Yes,
is
I
really
wanna see how
simple,
you do it.
right? First, we cut this
Okay.
here, this part.
Yeah.
Then you put like this, not so much, so you don't waste the rest of the onion.
Good, I love you
Now
now.
you peel it, okay?
Okay. I like that.
Waste man, I mean, no waste.
So now,
Okay.
we do exactly the same. The cuts here are really similar, as you can see, and we
Yeah.
use everything. We use the heart of the onion, we use everything. Just a little bit, okay? And we start throwing away all the vegetables,
Okay.
okay? There
I
we go.
see. Oh, she cook different than I'll cook that. They put it right away. There. Here, cover my face. You have fry.
Mom.
You can fry like this. They don't. That's good protection. See, I don't have to worry anything. You see?
I love her.
That's
I
how I
love
cook.
her.
Go ahead.
The base of the saltado, that is the most important part of the saltado, is what it gives taste to the meat, is what at the end it will give the taste to the vegetables as well. So this is 2 cups of soy sauce. Now,
Chinese soy sauce or American soy sauce or Peru soy sauce? Which one?
it's American soy sauce, Mama.
Okay, American soy
I'm
sauce.
sorry.
Okay, not Chinese, American soy sauce.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now we're mixing, okay?
That's the water?
That's how much
No,
water? Oh, what is
this is white vinegar, okay?
Oh.
White vinegar, 1 cup. Oyster sauce, okay?
Oh, this is American, not Chinese, not Vietnamese.
American.
Okay, American.
All of this together, okay?
Right.
Can you mix? And I
Yes.
will take a look on the potatoes.
Okay,
real quick.
sure.
Yeah,
And you
and I'm
continue
gonna
here.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
Is that cubed sirloin?
Oh, what is it? Filet mignon or what?
Is it sirloin?
Lomito saltado. This is kind of like a filet mignon, something like that.
Filet mignon.
Okay, what we are going to do right now, Mama, is put a little bit of oil, macerate it with a little bit of salt.
That's it?
That's all.
For all that meat? That's all you put?
Yeah.
Oh, because the soy sauce.
Soy
sauce
sauce,
is very salty.
it's
Later, yeah.
very salty. Here we go. Be
Make like
careful,
a
okay?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Love it, love it, love
Let
it.
them cook. We put some more oil. What the hell? Mama, be careful, please. I'm begging you.
I know.
I don't want to be responsible, okay?
No, don't worry. I'm not gonna burn my face.
Are you ready, Mama?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Okay. Be careful, okay?
I'm careful.
Please.
Go ahead.
All right.
That's all you need?
No, we will use more and
Wow,
more and more,
more,
but
more,
now
okay.
we need to macerate the meat inside this.
All right.
Let's leave it like this for a little bit. You see?
Yeah, I see.
Let's throw the vegetables over here, okay?
You throw me here? Okay.
Yes, be careful, please.
Oh my god,
I
the
do.
sauce is so good.
Okay, now.
Oh my god.
What you gonna do? You mess, right?
Now we need to mix it up, everything.
You
yes.
do only one hand, huh? Why don't you do 2 hands?
Because I am not so cool like you.
My
You do it,
goodness.
you do it.
Smells really good. I love it.
Wow,
And the
it's
texture
really
do good job.
Yeah. And a little bit of ginger.
Ginger. Okay, cut ginger.
Or ginger.
I don't know how to cut ginger.
Don't worry. We will
Show me how to do it. Show me how to do it.
We will grab only one
One
head, okay?
Okay.
You can do like this.
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it.
This one looks like the one I go to the manicure. They use for my manicure. They
similar.
use for my feet.
The file they use on your
Something
foot?
for my something like that. Whatever.
Now what we can do is start chopping some of these onions.
How much you want to cut it?
But wait, let's try to be a little bit like this.
Hearty,
thick,
Mom.
Yes.
This is a hearty dish.
It's kind of like a wild, you
No
know?
sweat.
But-
Like this one, right?
Yes. Es perfecto, es perfecto.
Okay.
But, pero,
Es
what?
perfecto.
Okay. This one we throw it away.
Are you scared of her nails?
I'm scared of her. Let's chop some cilantro. Okay. You need to see the leaves. Like this. And Mama, come.
Okay.
Bring this.
Bring
and
this
throw
one?
it over here. Yes.
But this
Throw
one?
it over
Throw it
here.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna
Let's go.
throw the onion over here.
Yeah, let's go.
That's
Do you
all.
know what is rocoto?
Cheese.
No. Rocoto is a pepper that you only find it in the Amazon.
Oh, this is the salt.
Super hot pepper. Can you
It's
open
super, super, super hot pepper.
it? It's your own sauce.
Yes, it's from Pachamama.
It's from your own
Oh.
restaurant. Oh
It's
my
super
god.
hot.
Is it
Okay?
sriracha?
This no, it's one level more.
Make in with love by Chef Vick. Victoria, that's her.
Yes.
Oh, that's Mama. Let me try. How hot is it?
Okay, I think we are ready to remove the potatoes from the oven. Let me
God.
check. Yes. Let me grab this.
Really spicy, Jeannie. Bỏ chút thôi.
No, be careful, please. I told you, super spicy,
know,
Mama.
very
I don't
spicy.
wanna.
Let me try.
Here, you can kill your husband.
Yes, literally.
See?
Oh my God.
Really spicy. But tastes good. Really spicy.
Hot. Oh my God.
Why don't worry, you put this on, no more spicy.
I feel like Chef Vick cooks way
Yeah,
better
you want to
by
put that on
herself.
a potato in there, right? Leave
I
it there.
mean,
leave
it's
it
a
there.
little bit
Totally
messy.
in her way.
Put it in.
Okay.
Put your thing in there. Put your thing in here.
What's she talking about?
Your thing right there.
Okay,
Put your
my
thing
thing.
there.
Okay.
Here, pull it.
All right, Mama.
That's
all right.
all you do.
I
My
didn't
God.
want to do it like that, but it's okay, Mama.
You wanted to make it pretty,
Yes,
Mom?
it's okay.
No, because this one she put in the bottom. Who cares? The top is different.
I'm very scared.
They don't
I must say, this is very intense. 3 ladies in a kitchen is very
Yeah.
intense. Believe me, even cooking with my kids is less intense than this. We are breaking the potatoes, Mama.
Okay, you put like this, right?
Let Chef do it.
Okay, let Chef do it. Here, let me see your way.
Okay. This is crazy, eh? Next time we travel, I will pick another country, Mama, if you want Vietnam.
Okay. Okay, what you can do?
Okay, we need to put everything inside.
With the sauce?
With the sauce. The sauce is the most important
Oh,
part
I
of the
know.
dish
Okay.
because then you grab the potatoes and it tastes amazingly. She's doing it. She's doing
Yeah.
it really well.
Too heavy for her.
Nope, it's not.
She's
You
a
put
strong
it down,
woman.
you put it easy. Yeah.
Oh my
No, you
gosh!
do that.
Oh my
Do like
gosh! Oh my god! This is the typical lomo saltado of Peru, and we are honoring Peru with this dish. Okay, so now we are honoring the culture of Argentina. And it's an easy peasy recipe for every mom, especially me, that I am a mom. So let's go. Buñuelos of espinaca. Can I explain what it is? Let's go together. Buñuelos
Buñuelos
de espinaca.
de espinata. De espinata.
Yeah, that's
Spinach buñuelos.
sound like a
Buñuelos.
Spanish. Yeah.
So now we start chopping all this spinach.
Yeah.
Okay? Really, really thin.
Real small. Right.
Yeah. So you grab it, you continue. We don't waste, we use everything from the spinach.
Great. I love
In
it.
the meantime, we have oil, vegetable oil next to me, getting super hot because we will fry today, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now that
Okay.
we have this,
Uh-huh.
grab it, we put
Okay.
it here. Dini,
Yeah.
grab a big amount of salt and try to whisk everything together. Why? Because it will give more humidity to the spinach. The amount of salt, imagine that is more or less this.
Got it.
Yes, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
wow.
yes. Exactly. Go. Now whisk. It gives the best flavor.
This is so crazy. I've never done something like
Yeah, I
this
never
before.
learned that before.
Guys, it's becoming like
Yeah.
soggy.
Really soft.
It has to be like that. As you can see, we can show to the camera how we change the spinach only with the salt.
Right.
We need some milk,
Milk. Okay.
we need an egg,
Egg.
and we need some
Flour.
flour. First, we will start with the egg.
Yes.
Now, a little bit of milk.
Okay.
What?
Yes,
Milk.
yes. Well, you will see it and you will realize if you need a little bit more, if you need a little bit less. This is a secret that I learned from an Argentinian chef. This is baking soda. Why baking soda? Because it will make it more fluffy. And now we go with this one. What's that?
What kind of flour?
This is flour.
Regular flour.
Regular
How
flour.
much is that? How much?
It's not so much that, okay, I need a recipe and step by step. This is more, you can do it, you know,
Or whatever you like.
whatever you like. But we need a little bit more.
Or
But we
more.
need more consistency, so we
Like pancake
So you
batter?
make it more thicker. More thicker.
more thicker. You see the consistency?
Oh.
So
okay.
now we are ready, ladies.
Okay.
Okay, one.
Wow. Oh, 1 spoon.
Let's it's one spoon.
Oh,
You see?
Okay. Wow.
Exactly. So let me
Oh,
remove
that
this
you
so
have
you know.
to. It's stuck together. Ginny.
Mira.
Oh, that's how you put it. Oh, it's fried right away.
Yes. Here we have it. Now is your turn.
Let me do another one. Okay.
Eccole qua, yeah.
Okay.
Let me remove this so it doesn't go
Remove right away.
Golden
Yes.
brown.
like this, right?
Okay.
We want this texture.
Oh,
You know?
okay.
Let's go. We'll throw
What is it?
A little bit.
Mexican sour cream.
Yes.
Ooh.
Now we're making the dipping sauce. I was gonna say I was hoping there was a.
Oh, that's how she put in there.
We put in parsley with Mexican sour cream and just whipped it together. I love the size that you cut the lemon wedges. This is my favorite way to cut a lemon wedge because it's so hearty.
Yeah.
And you get a good, may I?
It was your mom, eh? She
See,
got the
I'm the
lemon.
one cut the lemon, not
She got
her.
the lemon.
You see that?
She teach me a new way.
May I?
Let's go, let's go, let's go with everything.
She tried to kiss ass somebody, but it doesn't work that way.
All right, ladies, we're about to dive in, but I think first we gotta let the real judge taste the food. Come on in.
Come in.
Oh my God!
With a little surprise, Mama Mai.
And Monaco.
Hi,
Monaco
Coco.
here, look.
Yum, yum.
Wanna try
You
one?
Try it. Go
Try it.
for it. Go for it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Go ahead.
See if you like it.
Go for it. Do you like it? Yay! Good, yum, yum. Yum, yum.
Oh, it's a
She love
surprise
it.
face.
She's eating it. She's eating it.
She likes
This
it?
is good.
Ay, mi amor.
Hi, everybody.
Yay.
Buñuelos de espinaca.
Muy bien.
Okay, here we go.
I
Here we
think
go.
so.
Here we go. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh. Okay, okay. Go, Coco, go.
Go.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, you like this? Okay, you like this one?
Thank you so much for inviting me.
delicious.
I
And
have a
Mexico.
great time. Believe me, I never cooked this way, but it's a beautiful scenario with your family. And I
Thank you.
enjoy it really much.
And thank you for bringing food from your country.
Thank you for
Thank
bringing the
you,
culture of
I love
Latin
it. We
America.
love you, Chef
to-
Vick.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yay! Coco, yo tai, Coco. Yo tai.